Good morning, teachers and classmates. Today, I am gonna cook my healthy breakfast. I am gonna cook an egg omelette with cheese and homemade burger with gravy. Okay, let's start. First, I am going to cook the egg omelette. First, I am going to beat the egg. Then, I am going to put a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Then, I'm going to grate some cheese. Then, I am going to mix it. Now, it's ready to cook. Okay, let's cook the egg. First, I'm gonna heat the pan. Then, we're going to put a little cooking oil. And when the oil is ready, we will put the egg. Now the egg is ready. Let's remove it from the pan. Now we are going to prepare the burger. First, I will put the beef. Then I will put chopped onions. Then minced garlic. Now I will beat one egg. Now we will mix it. Now I will put a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper. Now let's cook the burger. First, let's heat the pan. Now let's put the butter. Now let's shake the burger. almost done. The burger is now ready. Let's remove it from the pan. Now let's eat. I'm so excited. First, we will eat the egg omelette. Delicious! How about the burger? Yummy!